Uh, Hello all. So this is Roshan George, and I'm from Team Enigma. So the problem statement that we have chosen is fake news detection using blockchain technology. Coming to the problem statement, we know that the fake news has been a really huge problem in India currently. The very recent news about Bharat Samachar and the fake news channel which spread fake information to the society and took many of the huge prime ministers into dangers. So that's one part. And also, what solution are we trying to give to this problem? So coming to that, we are trying to create an decentralized application using blockchain technology. So this application is going to be of two types. One is an mobile application and one is a web portal. So the web portal is going to be used by the news agencies and the news editors, and the mobile application is going to be used by the journalists and crowd auditors. So how is this workflow going to work? Say suppose there is a news and we are trying to put that into our platform. So suppose the incident has happened and the journalist will be trying to click the photos of that particular incident happening, and will be they will be given a mobile app, right? So they'll be just taking the pic and uploading it to the portal. The images will be sent to the editors for posting it into the platform. And there would be the news agencies. So what they will do is, okay, so this incident has happened, so they are going to write an headline and a small description about that, and they are going to send it to the editors. So both of this information will be sent to the editor, which is the journalist information as well as the news agency information. Both of them will be analyzed through blockchain, because blockchain is offering you a traceability feature, so you can verify whether it has come from the right source or not. Once it is verified and it is sort or it's okay to go good, it will be uploaded to the platform. So in the platform, once it is uploaded, a QR code will be generated. So if suppose anyone is going to be a crowd auditor, so he will also be given an he can also use the mobile application of journalist. He can log in as a crowd auditor, and what he can do is he can scan up the QR code. Once he scans, he can get details of everything. The editor who has publish the content, where the images from, and also the news agencies who published. So all these three information will be displayed, and he would be able to upvote or downvote the particular news. So if suppose say the news is legit and it is from the right source, he would be upvoting it particular post, so its ranking would be increased. But say if that news is not legit, then it would be downvoted, and the ranking would be decreased. The news which have the highest amount of rating will be displayed, and all the news that have low ratings will not be displayed. And I mean, there would be a threshold limit for the upvotes. If it is about a particular percentage, it would be displayed. If not, it won't be displayed. Yes. So this is a basic prototype on how it's going to look like. So the publisher portal, the editor portal, the crowd auditor portal, who will be able to scan the particular QR code, and the news platform. And also there will be implementation. We have given the repo for this implementation. So that's one thing. Now coming to a small demo on how our project is going to work. Um, so this is basic homepage of our thing that we have developed till now. It's just a prototype on what we are going to do. So we'll be passing our account address, and we'll be passing some name to it, and we would be putting our profession, and a small id would be passed, 6-digit id, and we would be going to registration. So once I register it, yeah, so as you can see, my total registered evaluators is increased to 1, and myself, I registered as an journalist. You can see the account address as well as the my profession, and whether I am allowed to verify the news, or whether I'm able to publish the news, or I'm actually registered. So yes, I am registered. I'm not yet given permission by any of my superior news media publishers to publish the news yet. So I would be going to authenticate evaluators. So this is where you can see the list of journalists or people who are trying to provide value or news into your platform. So suppose like 2 minutes back I registered myself as a journalist, and the account address is the owner, so I would be able to approve this particular journalist. So I'd be clicking on approve, and once I click on approve, here you can see again I am prompted to a MetaMask wallet address. So here I'll be able to confirm the transaction and add this particular journalist to the blockchain. So yeah, so I'll be just confirming. um, so it's currently, yeah, now you can see that the verification is done and I am successfully added as a verified journalist. So currently I'm a verified journalist, so I would be able to add news into the platform. So I would be able to post any news. Say suppose for example, I type something and I click on add, so it will be added to the platform. So the backend feature is not yet implemented and it's currently on the progress, so it will be just added into the blockchain, and it will be left for verifying. So once the news is added, we would be able to verify the news. As you can see, the news detection has not yet been initialized. That is because I have not yet added any news into the system yet. So once I am able to add, I'll be able to verify the news. So the verification as well as the journalist uploading that part, so these both parts should be changed into a mobile application. So the work has to be put into it. That's one thing, and the outcome is where you will be able to view all the news that has been published. So even this reads as news has not yet been published. This is where the users would be able to read the news that have been validated, the final news that have been validated. So this both sessions is where they will be able to validate everything, read the validated news. So this both part is going to be turned into a separate router function. So this is going to be a different kind of page. It's going to be a starting page, and all these extra features are going to be an optional page if you want to be a part of this particular platform. So that's all about it, and this is how the registration and the workflow of the particular platform is. Yeah, thank you.